From quirky teen to 90s icon to Netflix sensation, Winona Ryder has been captivating audiences for over 3 decades. Let's take a whirlwind tour through her most unforgettable roles. 1988, Beetlejuice's Lydia Dietz, the goth girl who saw ghosts and stole our hearts. 1988, Heather's Veronica Sawyer dark comedy Never Looked So Good. 1990, Edward Scissorhands' Kim Boggs, a fairy tale romance that cut deep. 1994, Reality Bites Lelena Pierce, the Gen X slacker we all wanted to be. 1999, Girl, Interrupted Susanna Kaysen, a raw, Oscar-nominated performance. After a hiatus, Winona came back stronger than ever. 2010, Black Swan's Beth McIntyre, a chilling supporting role that reminded us of her range. 2016 present, Stranger Things Joy Spires, the frantic mom in a nostalgic sci-fi hit. And now, in 2024, Winona's come full circle. Her recent appearances echo her Beetlejuice days, proving that true style never fades. From wide-eyed ingenue to seasoned star, Winona Ryder continues to mesmerize us with every role. Which Winona era is your favorite? Like this video, drop your favorite Winona role in the comments, and subscribe to us.